Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall PayPal tax reporting integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start uninstalling the PayPal tax reporting integration, log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the settings gear icon located at the top right corner of the page. In the settings menu, select account settings from the list. Look for the integrations tab in the left sidebar and click on it. Find the Tax Reporting Integrations section within the Integrations page. Click on the Manage button next to the Tax Reporting Integration option. You will see details about the integration, including options to edit or uninstall. Choose the Uninstall option to proceed with the removal. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Review the information and click Confirm to finalize the uninstallation process. After confirmation, you will receive a notification indicating that the integration has been successfully uninstalled. To ensure everything was removed correctly, revisit the Integrations tab to verify that the tax reporting integration is no longer listed. If desired, you can also check your account activity to ensure that no further data is being collected through the integration. For additional clarity, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies to remove any remnants of the integration from your browsing experience. If you encounter any issues during the uninstallation, consult PayPal's Help Center for further assistance. That concludes the detailed guide on uninstalling the PayPal tax reporting integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.